If you want to export your Krita artwork as a PNG file, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to save your image as PNG in Krita, step by step, so you can keep your file high quality and ready to share, upload, or use anywhere you need it. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in Krita and look to the upper left corner of the window. Click File in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu, select Export. This is the option you want because it lets you save your artwork in a different file format, like PNG, without changing your working Krita file. Next, choose where you want to save the file. Pick your destination folder so you can easily find it later, and then type a name for your exported image. Make sure the name is something clear and easy to remember. After that, look for the Save as Type drop-down menu. Click it and select PNG image. This tells Krita that you want the final export to be saved as a PNG file. Once that is selected, click Save. At this point, Krita will open a PNG Options window. This window gives you a few export settings before the file is finalized. For most users, the best choice is to leave the settings at their default values. Just make sure Store Alpha Channel is checked if you want to keep transparency in your image. That is especially useful for logos, graphics, stickers, or any artwork with a transparent background. Once everything looks correct, click OK to finalize your image. Krita will then export your artwork as a PNG file in the folder you selected. And that's it. Your Krita file is now saved as PNG and ready to use. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.